Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by finding and marking the hole. This is critical because missplits worsen quickly. Once located, dry and spread the net flat so every knot can be seen. Make sure the mesh tension is relaxed. Prepare matching twine and a netting needle and cut a working length about 1.5 times the repair area. Start adjacent to the damaged knot. Pick up the surrounding meshes so you can rebuild the structure rather than just patching surface fabric. You now reconstruct the net by undoing the bad knot back to sound mesh so the original pattern can be followed. Once done, feed the needle through the adjacent meshes in the exact over-under sequence the net uses. This restores load distribution. Make each pass snug but not too tight to avoid puckering. After completing the pattern, lock with 2 firm half hitches and mimic the original knot form. This method reunites cut strands into the net's working framework rather than creating brittle spots. You finish by trimming excess twine, and for synthetic materials, either carefully melt or whip the ends to stop fraying. Once secured, gradually restore normal net tension and suspend it so gravity reveals any distortions. Make sure seams lie flat and knots sit like the originals. Test the repair gently in water first, then during a light throw. If the mesh distorts or a knot slips, tighten or retie immediately. Key troubleshooting tip: if puckering appears, loosen and reweave, following the original mesh pattern precisely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.